How's it going, y'all? This is going to be tonight's campsite out at Bankhead National Forest again. I promise I do plan on going to some new places eventually. So I kind of got a late start. It's going to be dark pretty soon, but I guess I'm going to go ahead and start cooking, set everything up. So tonight for dinner, we're going to have Cheez-Its. No, I'm just kidding. I bought some salmon at the store and a few other things, and I have some potatoes to go with it and some asparagus. So I actually remember to bring a kitchen knife this time. And I got some plastic plates that I can reuse instead of using those crappy paper plates. Okay. Well, hopefully it turned out pretty good. Not gonna lie, this is my very first time actually cooking salmon. Well, it didn't stand a chance. I guess I'm just gonna clean my mess up and then get a fire going. Just when I was about to get the fire going, it started sprinkling, and now it's raining, so I guess I'll be in the back of the truck the rest of the night, but I don't know. It's been about an hour, and it's starting to rain a little bit harder, so I guess I'm going to try and get some sleep. We'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, guys. Well, I was gonna make coffee, but it's still raining a little bit. Everything is just absolutely soaked. I mean, everything. But I didn't sleep too well either. For some reason, some random person drove by at like almost midnight, and this is on a dead-end road, so they pretty much had to just turn around right in front of me. I wish I would have got it on film, but it happened so quick, I didn't even have time to grab my camera. I was half asleep when it happened. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for this episode. I guess I'm just gonna try and go find some service and see if this rain's about to let up or not. But if it is, I'm probably gonna go do some hiking, film the next video, hopefully. But if not, then I guess I'm just gonna head back home. But I really appreciate all y'all for watching, and like always, all the gear that I use will be in the link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you do buy something, I do get a kickback, but it really helps out the channel a lot. But take it easy, everyone. I'll catch y'all in the next one.